And the other one.
Hi.
Big. And Mommy's a good cat. She's a good one. And you can
Did you see the kitty?
Oh, that's okay. I'll get him.
Did you guys see the kitty?
Yeah.
Be careful with her. She can be a little
Oh,
mean
Jen's
See how
sometimes.
funny paw your cat.
I know. She's a polymath.
An extra finger?
Hi. Hi.
Alright.
Hi.
Dessert. Let's go. I'll fetch you, Jen. Are you videoing?
Yes.
Lisa, we need plates for whoever wants pie. Okay.
He loves animals. Hi. Daddy loves animals.
Too friendly kitty. Say hi, Devin. Say hi to the kitty. Be careful. You gotta be real gentle. Real gentle, like. Cute, huh?